welcome to this video review about the Mitolyn. My name is Victoria for those who don't know me, and today we're going to talk a little bit about this supplement. I know that a lot of people have questions about it, so I'm here to answer these questions, but also share with you an important alert that you must know before actually purchase it. However, guys, I've already left the link for the official website in the description below this video in case you need it after watching this video by complete. Mitolyn is a supplement that was designed to support your weight loss process. But it's different from anything you have ever seen in your whole life in the whole internet, guys, and I'm gonna tell you why. Well, first of all, Mitolyn works in the root cause of your problem. Many people don't understand why they're not losing weight when doing exercises or diets, but that's because you're not working on this root cause. There is this new cause for the weight gain, which is a low quality of mitochondria. The mitochondria are the powerhouse of your cells, and they are responsible for turning all of the fat into energy, not allowing your body to turn it into carbs and accumulating it, And if your body's not doing that, that means you have low quality of your mitochondria. So we have to work on that, and that's what Mitolyn will do. Also, the second important thing about it is that it will do all of that in a natural and healthy way because it is completely safe to take. It has only organic ingredients, so you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. And together, these ingredients will improve your mitochondria, increase the production of it, so this process will happen naturally in your organism, okay? Your body will understand that it doesn't have to store fat, it doesn't have to accumulate fat, and it will make it go away, and everything that enters will be turned into energy. So you will also feel with more energy and disposition along the day. So yes, guys, Mitolyn really works, and it has been helping thousands of people around the world. All you gotta do is be committed to the formula and take it every single day to see these results. The minimum treatment is of 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective results you were looking for. Besides all of these benefits, the producer even offers a money-back guarantee so you can actually test it, and if you don't like or don't see results, they return all of your money back. I have just one alert to share with you folks, which is where you're going to get it from, because there are a lot of places claiming to sell Mitolyn, but the actual product is only sold on their manufacturer's official website, which I've left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can guarantee yourself you're getting the real Mitolyn with all of these benefits, including the money back guarantee, nowhere else, okay? And now that you've finished watching this video, know how much I recommend it and how much it has helped to people. Go to the official website to check some more information and buy your Mitolyn with discounts. See you guys around.